Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn about different types of sets which are used in set theory. So let's start with different types of sets which we are having. The first one we are going to see today is Singleton Set. See, the name itself suggests that a set containing only one or single element is called as a Singleton set. The definition is very simple. Now let's see one example also. A is a set of even prime numbers. Now we know that there is only one even prime number, that is 2. So our answer for this singleton set example is A is equal to, inside the curly brackets we have written only one element, that is 2. So only one element is present in this set A, hence it is called as a singleton set. Moving further to the next type, empty or null set. See, if there is not a single element in the set, then such a set is called as a empty set. The example is given as B is set of all x such that x is a natural number between 2 and 3. But remember, 2 and 3, they are itself a natural number, and the number which will be present between 2 and 3 will not be a natural number. So this condition is not satisfied because no such number exists which is a natural and which exists between 2 and 3. So we have written set B as a empty set. See, we have not written anything inside this particular set. Next type is finite set. Now see the definition. If a set is a null set, or number of elements of a set are limited, since we can count up to a certain limit, then such a set is called as a finite set. Let's see the example. Y is a set of numbers between 1 to 22 which are divisible by 6. Now between 1 to 22 there are only three numbers, that is y is equal to 6, 12, 18. See, we cannot write the further numbers because the condition is given as the number should be between 1 to 22. So between this specified limit only these three numbers are present. That's why 6, 12 and 18 is our answer. And there are only three elements present in the set which are countable, which are limited also. Hence such type of set is called as finite set. And the last one we are going to see now is infinite set. Now see, if number of elements in a set are unlimited or uncountable, means they just go on counting up to infinity, then such a set is called as infinite set. And the best example of this is capital N, that is a set of natural numbers. See, the natural numbers begins at 1 and they go up to infinity. 1, 2, 3, dot, dot, dot. That's why I have written it to infinity. Another example is capital W, that is set of whole numbers which includes 0, 1, 2, 3, and up to infinity these numbers are present. That's why this is an also example of infinite set. Thank you.